Hi, it is me, Markov Yuri, and today I will talk about the farting NPA sound effect from Yuri. Oh, this user almost got my name. And before I start talking about this sound effect, I'm holding my sweet little baby. Say hello to the camera, Lana. Oh, you're so cute. Now, let's talk about this sound effect, shall we? It's from a video called Lacrimes, Tilda. That video was uploaded on September 17th, 2022, which is 2 years ago. Not right now, baby, mommy is still talking. Anyway, the duration of the sound effect is 0:17 to 0:37. The lo-fi music will be removed at the beginning and end. I'm not going to preview this sound effect, because I'm on the toilet. Now do you wanna watch me fart and pee? Okay. Ooh. I feel it. Phew. I know, that poo thing is very fun, Alana. Money really needed to go. And by the way, the video is in the description. Make sure you remove the lo-fi music at the beginning and end.